Welcome to Curiosity. Ready for the most dangerous and scariest roads in the world? One of the most terrifying is the Karakoram Highway. Sudden flooding, unexpected blizzards, and fog along this road can turn the ride into a real nightmare. Moreover, heavy snow during harsh winters can shut the highway down for extended periods. This road connects China to Pakistan across the Karakoram mountain range, reaching an elevation of 4,700 meters, or 15,400 feet. Due to its high elevation and the difficult conditions in which it was constructed, with the sacrifice of more than 1,000 people, it is sometimes referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Pakistan has lots of dangerous roads that are completely unmaintained, with no guardrails or any other kind of protection. Even a moment of carelessness can be lethal when driving along a road with a sheer drop to a rushing river. Like the road to reach the Nanga Parbat mountain, the second most prominent peak of the Himalayas. The BAM Road is located in Russia and runs alongside the railway track of the Baikal-Amur Main Line, traversing eastern Siberia and parallel to the Trans-Siberian Railway. It has been left in a very poor state, with collapsed bridges, dangerous river crossings, and severe potholes. The road is passable only by the most extreme off-road vehicles. And years ago, a group of 3 experienced people took a whole month to cross it. One of the most incredible roads ever is the Leh Manali Highway in northern India. It's formally a highway, but light years from what we even call road, having many single-lane damaged stretches, lack of safety barriers, and under-maintenance portions where even a little rainfall can trigger a landslide. Its highest elevation is 5,350 meters, or 17,500 feet, and it is open for only 4.5 months in a year. It also has over a dozen Bailey bridges, and most of them are in dilapidated condition. Travel time is unpredictable, but normally takes at least 3 days. Another incredible road located in India is the Zoji Mountain Pass in the western section of the Himalayan mountain range. The Tianmen Mountain Road in northwestern China has been heralded as one of the most spectacular roads in the world. But on the other hand, its tight curves and very low barriers make this road to heaven also one of the most dangerous. And the perfect place for a breathtaking drifting race. At just 11 kilometers or 7 miles in length, this road boasts 1,200 meters or 4,000 feet in elevation gain and a total of 99 turns. On the other side of the world, the North Yungas Road in Bolivia is even nicknamed the Death Road. It has few guardrails, bottomless cliffs, and, during the rainy season, water runoff can turn the road into a muddy hell. It is estimated that as many as 300 travelers are killed yearly along this 56-kilometer or 35-mile long road. Nepal is one of the countries in the world that has its road network in the worst conditions, lacking the very basic safety features. Like, for example, the Karnali Highway, a vital transport link between two regions in the remotest and least developed zone in Nepal. Of its 230 kilometers or 140 miles in length, only 7% were blacktopped. India is another country with an unbelievable road network. The frequency of accidents is the highest in the world, with more than 150,000 traffic collision-related deaths every year. Click now on the screen to see the next part of the 20 most dangerous roads in the world, and subscribe to Curiosity for more incredible videos. Here are some more amazing videos you must see. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe. Bye!